reputation, they can acquire their own business promotions, and many people who gather together would get their own brands, visibilities, and everywhere together. So sports is something which will connect everyone at a greater scale, and also it's a best platform to network around.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Okay. So coming to the grand event of the Connectivity Cricket Cup, I know that women's are also playing. So this is something different that we are doing this year.
Yeah, this is the first time women are playing, and there are 3 to 4 teams. 3 to 4
For women's itself? Okay.
Yeah, and mostly everyone has business profiles.
Oh, lovely. So it's a occasion where they can play and connect as well, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Today we have with us Mishika ma'am. Mishika ma'am, would you like to give a message to the organizers and all the team owners who are going to bid today for this grand event?
Yeah, hi, this is Mishika Chaurasia. I would like to thank you everyone who has invited me here. It's an honor to be here, and of course it's a big congratulations whoever is doing this event and the participation and everyone. They're really doing their best to be here, so thank you so much.
Thank you so much ma'am. It's wonderful for us that you've come today.
Thank you.
Welcome. We have with us the title sponsors of B2B, Ravi Enterprise and Gokhale and Guria Associates. So I see that you all have taken this opportunity to invest in such a big event. So could you emphasize about what your business is all about and enlighten us?
I'm into steel industry basically.
Okay.
So I supply material to forging units, pharmaceutical units and everywhere. So basically B2B is a platform where you get opportunities for the business to grow. There are new businessmen coming along. So you get an opportunity to come here, explore new things. So hence this was my main vision to come here.
We have with us the title sponsors of B2B, Gokhale and Guria Associates and Ravi Enterprise. So I see that you all have invested in this grand event. So would you be good enough to enlighten us about your business and talk about it?
100%. It's going to be a big event. As I'm from steel industry and I know there's a B2B platform working.
So today's whole event and the main D-Day event is being covered by Madhav Shah Production, LSD Photography, Primal Lux PR and the Artful Editor. So what are your reviews about them and how is the whole media team doing?
So I would say, give a genuine review that Madhav Shah Production, LSD, and Artful Editor and Primalix PR, who has from start they have always been a back support to us, always been there for us, and they have come up with a great initiative ideas how we can move this tournament and the event on a greater scale, where we have set a benchmark for everyone, which would later on in the next season it would be one more step higher in the series.
Thank you so much. Today we have with us the CEO of Boundary to Boardroom. So Ankit ji, आप कुछ enlighten करना चाहेंगे कि how come this concept of B2B came across? कि ये idea कहाँ से आया आपको?
So Prem, basically we have been playing our regular cricket at Goregaon, which is our home turf, and we have two renowned clubs, which is WCC and FCC.
Okay.
And from there we have the larger community of at least 1500 people, and from there we try to understand okay, there is a lot of opportunity which has arrived because there are internally everyone was connecting with each other and the business was happening.
Okay.
So the idea came across कि why not we make it to this commercialized level and we make each one of us too much of benefited on this entire B2B.
Lovely. That is lovely. Thank you so much, Ankit. Good evening. We have with us Sherlyn ma'am. Sherlyn ma'am, would you like to, give a message to all the players and, the bidders who are going to bid today during the auction and a message to the crowd?
Yeah, all the best to all the players, and I get to know about that girls are also playing,
Yep.
right? So just slay girls. So I always support girls more than guys. Yeah, but yeah, to every players, I just can say like best of luck to all the people, and I guess their match is on 9th May.
Yeah.
Yeah, so best of luck for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, ma'am. With us, Brinda Shah. Brinda, you've been invited to this grand event. So would you want to give a message to all the owners and players who are going to be bidding and, for the upcoming tournament that is coming on the 9th?
Yes, so first of all, I am so glad to be a part of this evening today. Thank you so much for inviting me as a guest of honor. And one message I'd like to say is all the best. And I also got to know that the women players are going to be a part of this. So I'm just going to tell them that's late and I know you're going to give your best.
Today we have with us the CEO and founder of Boundary to Boardroom, Mr. Ankit Shah. So Ankit Shah, could you explain me how come this idea of B2B came across?
So Prem, we have been playing our regular cricket, which is at our Goregaon home turf.
Yeah.
We have two clubs, which is WCC and FCC, and we have audience of at least 1500 people who is already there. So हम लोग इतने टाइम से खेल रहे थे और we have a lot of networking opportunity which was there. There are a lot of businessmen. तो सोचा इसके आगे क्या? And इसके आगे the B2B has started.
Anushka ma'am, would you like to give a message to all the players and all the owners who are bidding for today's event?
First of all, I would like to thank all of you who had invited me here, and of course, the biggest congratulations for this event. The people who are like always involved and they are doing it, and I give my very best to the team and to the owner and whoever is doing this work, because it takes a lot of efforts, it takes a lot of guts, it takes a lot of encouragement within themselves. If they are doing it, heads off to them.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now we have with us the CTO of B2B, Boundary to Boardroom, Mr. Ashish Sharma.
Hi.
Hi, Ashish, could you explain what the concept of B2B is all about?
Well, the B2B started from the concept where we realized that just having a business is giving a lot of mental strain to the entrepreneurs today. So why not have a very good difference for them where they can play a sport and they can do a business on the field. So yeah, the B2B is right, something stands for Boundary to Boardroom, where all we four guys took together, meet each other and decided to have the B2B form where you play cricket and you do business.
So, as per my information, is this India's first sports-led networking platform?
Absolutely yes. Here the sports come first and we of course do networking in a very, very strong manner. We are connected with each other very strongly.
So as you know, it's a big platform and B2B runs. All my friends are here, and it's a business platform. And for me, one of a different time was steel industry. I supply to forging materials to pharmaceutical industries and oil field equipments. So you get a big platform for here to explore your business, to expand your business. There are many people coming along. So yes, I found a good opportunity to invest over here.
Lovely, lovely. And a message that you all might want to give to us?
So for B2B, we have a good wishes from Gokhale Guri Associates.
Thank you so much. Now we have with us the CMO of Boundary to Boardroom, Mr. Vineet Doshi. Vineet sir, I know myself that you are a sports fanatic. You are very much into sports. And being one of the founders of B2B, what are your visions and what sports are you playing? What is the vision? What are you going to do ahead?
So initially we started with cricket.
Okay.
Then we moved on to pickleball and badminton. We were looking at the Borivali to Andheri area only initially, but now being the Connectivity Cricket Cup is the premier tournament of B2B.
Okay.
And which we are expanding to entire Mumbai. All the players from across Mumbai, owners, everybody are participating in this tournament.
So it's a
So
big
looking
thing.
forward to this tournament very closely.
So we have with us Mr. Kabir Bhalla. Kabir ji, what do you think about the whole concept about B2B, sports and business networking coming together? Like, do you think it will be a successful idea ahead?
I think sports and business goes hand to hand, hand in hand.
Absolutely.
So काफी अच्छा वो है इसका, काफी अच्छा bond है. And cricket is business and business with fun along is altogether a different game.
Absolutely.
Because games is it's a certain place where you feel relaxed and you're open to meeting new people, networking. That's, I think, you believe in B2B, right?
Absolutely.
So that's the major part of it. And I think it's a great initiative to take B2B along with cricket, because in cricket, especially in our country, we follow cricket as a religion and people get connected through it. So that's a
That's
really
a
great
lovely
initiative.
answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So now we have with us the COO of B2B, Mr. Keyur Shah. Keyur ji, मुझे ये जानना है कि how are you guys going to take this whole concept forward?
Sports. The only thing we are looking forward is sports. We are trying to build a community जो लोगों को sports खिलाए, because sports ही ऐसा है जो एक दूसरे को बांधता है. There is a trust building process only through sports. So we are trying to build a community, आपस में धंधा दे, build a good relation and build a strong sports-led networking community.